Okay, let's go to the File menu, Save As Web Page, and check the Selection Sheet radio button, and check the Add Interactivity box, and then click the Publish button, and from the Choose drop list, let's select Range of Cells, and then click the Collapse button, and select cells A1 to D27, to D21, A1 to D21, and then click that button again, which is now an Expand button, and now click the Change button adjacent to Title, and let's type in Lara Corporate Sales. Don't I wish? And then we'll click OK. And now click the Browse button and make sure you're in the right folder, our XLXP Core folder, and change the file name to Corp Sales. And let's click OK. And check the Open Published Web Page in Browser box, there, that one there, and click Publish. Now let's click in cell B6 and try and change that. And then we can close Internet Explorer. Oh, mine doesn't want to change. Okay. Anyway, have fun with it.